Hey guys, so this video is really overdue. I'm meant to be making one progress update video on my van build every month, and I should have made this one about a week or two ago. I've got 3 weeks until I move in here full time, so I'm cutting it down to the wire. This is the last update before I actually move in full time. I'm just really excited to show off the progress I've made. So on this side, this is meant to be the shelving where I'll keep most of my clothes and the bedside table. The bedside table's essentially done. So I've got this little power controller over here, which is just a Ryobi like battery inverter, and I've got my fairy lights plugged in. So I don't know if you can see them in the lighting right now, but there's a light set up all throughout the van, and they look pretty beautiful. I also bought this little cargo storage net from Zbad1. It's like this Australian company, and I'm gonna hang it on the roof up there for the clothes that are sort of dirty but not too dirty, you know, the ones that I want to quickly put on while I'm in bed. But let's go to the front. There's some more exciting stuff over there. Pull it down a bit. Whew. Okay, so the setup for now, this is a little kit that I bought from a French guy here in Christchurch. I'll link him in the description, but he just sells these self-containment kits. But it's basically a 25-liter gray water tank, so dirty water, and then a 25-liter clean water tank, and then a sink with a pump handle, which I specifically wanted because I don't want anything that relies on power. So I want to be able to always use my sink. So I just pump that, water comes out. My tap, and the sink is square, which is nice. A lot of vans, like smaller vans, use a round sink, which I don't like too much because you can't fit anything in there. But in this one, it looks like I could at least fit maybe 2 or 3 mugs. I haven't decided which corner this is going to live in yet. So it's either going to live right up against the bed here, and then I will build shelves up against that corner, or it's going to live in that corner and I'll build the shelves here. Whichever I decide, well, that decision needs to be made very quickly. I've got like 2 to 3 weeks to get it all done and get it built and move in. Next up's the kitchen. So this is also not done yet, but I'm really proud of it. It is so cool. Let me open the door so I can get outside. I've cut a hole here. This is where I'm going to put shelves. Little shelves for like food and, you know, maybe my pots and pans. I haven't decided just yet. This is my Zempire cooker, which I talked about in the last video. This is my little kettle. I'll be making tea and coffee and all that. I found this at an op shop the other day. I'll just hold my, cooking utensils in there, and I'll try to use this space as effectively as I can. I also want to put shelves up here for like spices and I don't know. I'll figure it out, And then this hole goes to my gas can. So the gas can is under the cooker, and this lets me turn it on and off. So I'm able to activate and deactivate the gas in there. So it's currently closed. And then my favorite thing about it is that it sits on some drawer slides. So I'm able to pull it out all the way, and I'm able to stand here and cook. Now it is a bit high up, and it's the price you pay for living out of a van, as not everything is mega convenient. All I need really now is an extra cooking table, which I don't know where I'll put yet. Maybe I can have something here that flips up, so I can have a small table on this side, or I could have something flip up on the left here. The next video you're going to see is me living out of this van, and it will have all my final decisions and upgrades. The one downside to this drawer system is you do need both hands to like lock and unlock it. But the upside to that is that when driving, it does not move. It does not come loose. It stays where it should. I did find this, which is just a funny looking. I think it's meant to be a purse. I'm so gonna store my socks and underwear in here and hang it up somewhere on a hook. I think that'll. I just love the pattern. I love the style. That hole, I want to put a drawer in there and have all my shoes in there and have it sort of slide out right next to the bed. That would be so fancy. Also, there's a bin and a carpet, which are still sort of to be determined where they'll go. I wanted to sort out the entryway, so I've put some wood in here, little hole there that goes outside. That's where I'm going to put my exhaust hose for the bad smells in the gray tank, and then I've got a little carpet here for scrubbing your feet, and I still need to fill that out with wood, make it all pretty over there. But it's a step by step, one thing at a time sort of deal. Having lots of fun with this build. I'm getting so close to the end. I love having a bit of a rush, sort of running out of time. But yeah, things to do are just the final sort of figuring out where I'm going to store things. And then routines. Once I'm in here, it's figuring out what's my morning routine going to be, like how am I going to make sure that I'm ready for the day. Like, obviously I'm going to go to the gym and shower there and clean myself up, but I want to make sure that I'm parking in the right places. You know, I don't want to be getting fines or anything like that. Seeing if any people in town have parking spots they'll let me sort of rent for a night or two. And then what is my nighttime routine going to look like? How am I going to keep the van clean? How am I going to cook all my meals? How am I going to make sure I'm not buying takeout every night? I mean, I think I'm definitely going to be buying more takeout living in here. But I still, you know, I'm health conscious and I want to be healthy. So I'll be doing my best not to go overboard, but it will be tempting. So yeah, look forward to the next video where I'm talking about my routines and figuring it out and actually living in here. I'm moving in at the worst time. I'm moving in the middle of winter, which is just terrible. It's going to be cold every night. And then solar eventually if I can get it. But that would sort of sort me out. Then I'd be able to, you know, do all my laptop work in here and I'd be able to, you know, power a heater, hopefully. But otherwise, that's the van. Thank you so much for watching and I hope I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.